This is welcome back to a brand new video. I have Uncle KO channel and special guest here.
And which is like, check out our both video. This is Darian Gaming. This is Uncle KO channel, and this is Hyuno Sam Kim.
And all these people has YouTube channel. So
Okay, so what are we doing today?
card game. We are doing Uno, and the loser
We'll get punished.
yes. So there will be 2 winners, and the last one.
Yeah, so it's just like
So first winner will get to spray the loser.
and then first so like basically first.
I'm not into this.
It's just like my channel. Remember, if you check out my channel, there was a punishment with him. Okay, it's just exactly same as my thing. Cause this is my house, but this is not his house, so this is my house. So he just visited my house. So let's get started by doing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Low battery mark.
Low battery.
I really took percent.
Okay, let's start with this. Oh yeah, silly. Oh, we can't start with that.
Let's do this and then.
Okay, we can't start with that one again.
No, just shuffle.
2 plus. If somebody goes first, you have to draw 2. 1, 2,
How
3,
many cards again? It's like the.
4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 7. It's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here.
Come on,
1, 2, 3, 4.
come on, boy.
I don't start first.
1,
Oh, I got
2,
some
3,
damn
4,
cool
5,
cards.
6, 7. Alright.
What?
Okay. Who wanna go first?
Me.
Okay, well, you have to draw 2 cards.
No, not yet. No, who wants to go second though?
Me.
You?
I think I
Yeah,
take
well,
second.
Okay, then I feel bad for you.
Why?
Plus 2. So you get 4 cards.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought 2 only what?
No, you take 4.
4.
Whoa!
Uh,
I forgot to play already. I take this one.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Okay. So it's green.
Wow, green.
Hey, yo.
This is what I have.
So I'm gonna skip your turn.
It's me again. It's me again. It's reverse.
It's your turn.
Yeah, but there will be a few rounds, so there's not only one. I can do one now if I want to.
I'll
I will
pick
find.
this one. It's your turn.
Wait, how many?
No, it's just you. Just pick one.
Only one?
Okay, I just have 4 more cards.
So fast.
Oh,
So fast.
okay, 9. Okay.
I have 4. You got 3.
So fast.
Your turn.
Yours fast, huh?
If you don't have it, you have to draw.
No, I do. No, it's your turn.
No, you reversed it, so we're going this way.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah!
Ayo!
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Wow, 6. Okay, so I
6.
green, yellow.
Oh, yeah!
Blue.
No, wait.
Yeah, do it. Just do it. Just kill it.
Yeah.
Uno. 2
Those
cards.
straight.
2 cards.
You.
I'm gonna lose.
2 cards.
That's all I can see.
2 cards.
Your turn.
No, it's your turn.
Yeah, it's yours.
See.
Oh.
Do you have any? Oh.
I have a lot, but
No. That means you can go. Hey.
hello, that one.
Oh, it's me again. Okay, go.
I don't have a card.
Go. Do you have any blue?
Okay, I don't know. I need to know my number, man. Wow. Okay.
Oh. Uno.
Those three.
Oh no.
Go. Ano makke? Oh, dang it. Go.
There.
I want to pick color.
Which?
Yellow.
Okay. I don't have any.
My turn.
Yellow.
Oh.
Skip his turn. No. It's
Oh.
just him.
It's like that.
Yeah, I don't have any.
No, I have this one.
Blue.
It's you again. It's you. It's me now. It's you again.
Me?
Mhm.
Come on.
It's you. Just do it. Just deal with it.
What?
Oh yes.
Your turn.
Bye bye. Hiya. Yes.
Go.
Uno.
My
It's your-
turn?
Yeah.
I won.
I'm the winner.
It's your turn.
Yeah, Uno.
I think Sean's gonna lose.
Yeah, you lost.
Oh, Sean lost. I'm gonna spray him.
No, wait, but there will
No,
be
no, no.
2 rounds.
Yeah, 2 rounds. It's out of 2
1
rounds.
loss, 0-0. Okay.
Yeah. 1 loss, 0-0.
So you won the first round, that's all.
Yeah.
So
No,
you
it's
have
1-0-0.
No.
1-0-0. No, it's 1-0-0 because he first
he
lost.
lost.
Yeah, so that's why
So whoever got 3 loses.
it's best out of 3. If
Yeah.
you got
So
2,
if you got 2, then you lose.
but
But
if,
if you got 3.
okay, but if all of us lose, I think all of us have to do.
Yeah, we have to do
If
it.
3 of us lose, we have to do, okay? To make it fair.
One, okay.
That's it.
Okay, get 7. 1,
Me?
No.
No, I'm the winner.
No, I know, but
Fine.
we are playing 3 rounds. If
7.
you
Okay, go.
lose,
Good.
I
Just
lose,
get
okay,
7.
okay. So like that lah.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5, 6. Oh, I got exactly 7.
Really?
Yeah.
Luck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, loser gets to go first.
Fine. Then who's second? I'm second.
No, loser goes. We're going this way.
Okay. Being a winner isn't that good.
You are green. Five.
Hey, lamaki.
Wow, fair play. Wow.
Darren.
No, it's me.
This, I just
Yeah.
the
It's
color.
lazy. It's here, right? Yeah, let's just do it like this. Skip your turn.
Come on.
Yeah, the winner will
Go. Your turn.
green lah.
There.
I want to
Do you
change
have
color already.
You want to if you
You
can.
can.
Yeah, I want
Which color?
blue.
Blue. Okay.
Change color. Hey, that's my sister.
My sister, what?
Uno. I already got one.
Xiaowa, fast. See, be a loser, you can just like win like that.
Whew, thank you.
Okay. Go.
Whose turn?
Darren.
What is this?
I need.
I have the color.
No, you can put it down.
Oh, yeah.
I need green.
Okay.
No, I need yellow.
Okay, go. Last line.
I choose it to blue.
Okay.
Your turn.
Uno. Bye bye, Sam. Uno.
Bye bye, Sam.
No, it's his.
No,
He
no,
eats
we
it.
can choose. You can choose.
Yeah, go.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And I choose.
What color?
Eh,
Red.
How come like that? Swish.
Red. I choose red.
Okay.
Okay, should I do it?
Okay. I choose red.
Yeah, your turn.
Choose red. Is it
Who?
me? Is it me?
Yeah.
Hiya.
Okay, I choose a red also.
Okay.
I'll choose red.
Well, do this, and this.
Huh? Wait, but it's different colors, right?
What?
Yes.
Wait,
you.
so there's
No,
4,
no.
5, 6,
No,
8.
you only can put
Yeah, you only can put one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I change it to green. Yeah, green.
It's me?
Yes.
Green.
Your turn.
No, it's me.
No, I thought you already picked.
No. No, you said you have to draw.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do this. Wait. This, No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's your turn.
Who's?
Yeah, you.
Uno.
Chaya!
Okay. I don't have any cards for that. Oh.
Yellow.
Ah, lama.
I knew you had a blue.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You choose yellow? My turn?
No, I choose red.
Okay.
Red.
I thought you said yellow.
Wait, whose turn is it?
Yours.
So, I'll do this.
To me?
To you. That's what you get for giving me all those cards when I had
But
it.
you become 2.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, Darren and Sam.
Wow.
Skip both of them.
You got so many cards.
This is what you get.
I don't care.
Yes.
Because I'm gonna win again.
Okay.
Whose turn is it?
Darren.
Change color, blue, Uno.
Uno. Ah, yeah.
Oh, look. Bum, bum.
Uno. Uno.
No.
Three cards.
No, I
No, you said bum bum bum. You said bum bum bum. You said bum bum bum. You're like, oh yeah, bum bum bum. You're like, bum bum bum. Fail. Mission failed. Bum bum bum.
It's green. I changed it to the red.
Ah. What is wrong?
You go.
Red. I'm gonna choose. I have too much red. Go.
Okay, that's it.
Your turn.
Who?
It's you.
Oh.
It's yours.
No. It's yours.
But you also need to put it.
No, I
No,
don't.
it's 4.
Oh yeah.
Darren, sorry, but
You again?
4. It's your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
okay, your turn.
Mine?
Yeah. Oh, it's me. Smoky. Oh wait. I'm not done.
2.
I'm not done.
Okay. 1. Smoky.
Oh, your turn.
Oh wait, I'm not done. Yes.
Red. Well, okay, this never ends now.
Oh. Bye bye.
Oh,
What is this?
it's Uno.
I don't even have blue, man.
Go. Should you have 6? Then draw.
Huh?
Then draw.
Well, I got messed
6.
up. I never. I
6.
cannot
It's
see
6.
where
It's
where.
6. It's the.
Oh yeah. Hey, I cannot find
No,
number.
you-
Oh, that's 9. Okay.
Do you have any cards?
What is this?
Oh, it's.
Uno.
Oh, you can place it. You can place
Oh
it.
yeah, because.
Go.
What
My
is
turn.
this game? Oh, it's failed. 7.
7. No. Oh, actually,
Yes, it's the same. This one.
No, this wasn't. This was here.
Hmm? Yeah, it was there.
Oh yes. Go.
Blank.
Oh, skip.
my turn?
Yeah.
Skip.
It's me. He skipped me. His turn.
What is this?
It's Uno.
Oh, wow!
Okay.
Your tree? No, your tree's
Oh.
turn.
Oops. Now my turn.
Nope. Go, your turn.
What is this again? I might as well do this.
Oh yeah. It's your turn again.
Hot.
Okay.
Okay, wait, so this is
6. It's 6.
Okay, this never ends. Oh, wait, I have 6 here.
Whose turn is it?
Yours.
Oh.
No, it's right.
This is what you get, Sam.
Oh,
Oh!
it's his.
No, it's yours. I can choose. 2 plus you can't.
Yeah, you can
1, 2,
choose.
3, 4.
I choose green.
Oh, let's go. Uno.
Uno.
Win.
Oh yeah. Okay, go.
Let's go. Come on.
4.
1 loss. So it's a 1-1.
1-1-0.
Yeah, 1-1. Okay, I stop first. I need to clear the memories. 14 minutes. I'm back. And this will determine the loser of the game.
He haven't lost any game yet.
Yes. Let's go.
It's best out of 3. Hey, you better go for Darren now.
Well, we both team up to kill him.
Yeah.
But all of us have to do it. That's the problem.
I know,
So that's
right?
why. So it does. If you team that is worse because all of us still have to do it.
Nope.
So.
No, then it's gonna be 1-1-1, and then the last round it's gonna decide the
Okay.
loser.
But we have 3 rounds. We only have 3 rounds.
No, we might have 4 rounds.
Oh.
You're like, what is this? And he was like,
1, 2,
It's
3,
Uno.
4, 5. I need 2 more. 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7.
Okay. The loser goes first, which is
I
you.
do.
The loser goes first.
The loser belt.
The loser belt.
Which color?
I choose green.
So fast, the color.
Okay, let's do. Hey, you already have a green.
Yeah, you already have green.
I have red.
Red.
Green. Wow, green again.
Hmm?
Very bad, very bad, very bad. Oh yeah, there we go.
My turn.
Yeah, line.
Red.
Your turn.
It's me again. Okay, your turn.
Me?
Yeah.
Skip. My turn.
What?
Then reverse.
To you.
Mine.
Yes.
Oh, back to red.
Oh, I hate red.
Yeah.
I don't have any red.
Same. I draw.
I don't know
Okay,
what
then I have.
Okay, your turn.
Uno.
No,
I said.
So fast.
Yes, so fast.
it's my turn.
Please. What?
Okay.
Oh, Uno. I mean, I'm done. I
Okay.
won.
So fast.
I won.
Okay, my turn.
So fast.
Let's place my sister. Your turn.
Oh, both of them are doing pretty well.
Your turn. Which color?
Blue.
You again.
Uno.
Oh, you trick me one. Ole. What like that one? You scam me.
What do you have? Oh.
Just do it.
Wow! Go! Wow! Go.
No.
I must stick. I don't
No.
I don't- I
3,
don't- I
2,
don't- I don't
1.
take risk.
Uno.
Oh no.
You said it first.
Yeah,
so
I
you have to
said-
draw one card.
Huh?
No.
Uno!
What is this? Ah, yeah.
It's the game Uno.
It's yours.
Okay. Okay. What is this?
Okay, go.
Oh, you did say Uno.
Uno!
Okay, I need to focus already.
Oh, I have this one. Uno!
Change the color to blue.
Change color blue. Ah, okay.
Uno!
Okay, Uno. Okay, I put Uno.
Good game.
Okay, one.
1.
Okay,
Now, this is the last round.
this is weird.
Last round. This is
No.
last round.
No.
This is best out of 3.
Yeah, okay. Oh, all of us. But all of us. No. It's 3.
No,
It's
but
3
if
I
this
know.
No.
But that
a
is my
person
rules.
has to lose 2 times.
No, that is my rules.
Okay, fine. Okay, it's just rules, so you choose. Best out of 3?
No, we'll do one more round. Because it's so unfair. For you and all of us.
Best out of 3.
Best out of 3.
Yeah!
Yes.
Okay, do it. Place it over there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right.
Lucky.
Seriously?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
4.
7. Oh.
5, 6, 7.
Oh my goodness, I won automatically. Did I
No,
cheat?
it's shuffle all.
I
think I
already.
cheated.
Okay, what is this? 1, 2, 3,
Oh, it's
4,
Uno.
5, 6, 7. Oh, wait, I put it.
I think I'm cheating.
4, 5, 6.
I bought so many good cards. Your turn.
That means you cheat, no? Oh yeah, I lose, right? Bye bye.
That's me.
I changed double.
That's me.
Yeah.
No, I don't have any.
This is you?
Nope, this is my sister.
It's just me.
Go.
Oh yeah.
You can't do that one.
Yeah,
No.
because you need to add the
Okay.
4 cards.
4 plus 4.
I'm getting revenge, both of you.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Go. Oh.
Okay, me.
Oh, I
Okay,
got so many.
I'm gonna
good
change color to yellow.
No, it's not your turn. I know.
Mine? No.
No, you only take place at one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yellow. Okay, there we go.
cards. I don't have anything. 4, 4.
Yep.
That's all.
Yep. Go.
Your turn.
It's me.
Yeah.
Okay, change color to yellow again.
Oh no. It's not.
Miss. I say yellow, right? Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
okay, there you go. Okay.
Go.
Me?
Yeah.
He's gonna place 4.
No.
Well,
To green.
okay.
Wow.
Oh no!
Yeah, I know.
Eat it.
Yeah.
No, you can't. You can't even choose.
No, I can choose.
No, 2 plus you can't choose. Well, 4 plus you can.
You really, man?
Yeah.
Then
2 plus.
you can change.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Fine then. Eat it, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You see, you just say it and then he just like that.
Okay. Go, Darren.
Okay, now what
I'm
color?
still green.
Oh, still green, huh?
Yeah.
8. What was the first number?
Okay.
8.
The first number.
The first number was
See
8.
here.
8.
Oh.
So nice yellow.
Oh, it's me.
Woo!
It's me. It's me now.
This is me, Mario.
Skip you two.
What me? Oh.
Draw. And place it. Oh.
Okay. No, my turn.
No, your turn. Yes.
Skip my turn.
What?
I mean, you eat it.
Huh?
You eat it. You have to eat it.
Okay, I have to eat it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I place this one.
Uno!
Two.
What?
Keep you. Green. I changed it to green.
Yellow.
Your turn.
That was.
I win.
Yeah!
I win! I can spray the loser now.
No, it's best out of 3.
It's best out of 3.
I know.
Come on.
Okay, my turn?
Yeah. Wait, it's green.
No, it's yellow.
Green 9. It's green 9.
You have nothing. Oh, you have one.
Yeah.
Hiya, Susie.
Keep placing these down. Go. Uno!
Uno. Oh.
Nice. Oh, no, you're winning.
What is this, man?
Oh, Uno.
No, it's my turn.
No, you can still do that.
Uno!
I haven't
No,
placed
he
yet.
didn't place it.
Uno. Jinx.
Tie is 1.
Yeah.
Tie is
Tie.
1. Tie is 1.
I haven't placed
no,
it
no.
somewhere. Okay.
He already won. Darren won.
Uno! I don't know. Uno!
He already
Change
won.
color blue, Uno.
Oh, he won. He won.
Yeah. It's best out of 3. It's
I
best
won.
out of, it's best out of 3.
Yeah.
Phew.
So he has to lose one more time. Sean has to.
Okay, so it's 2-1-1.
Yeah.
I think I'll lose. I'm not really good at this game.
Yeah, later we're
Let's
gonna
team up together.
later we're gonna do Jenga, okay?
Jenga? Yeah, sure.
And then
Okay.
this
I
one.
already did it.
Because I already beat you.
Yeah, last time that I saw. Yeah, we're gonna do a few videos soon.
Yep. Maybe 3 videos this
I don't
today?
I don't know.
7.
Okay. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
Oh, I think I have 8. Wait.
I'm 9.
I need this.
I'm 9. Okay.
Ah, okay.
Who
So
goes?
we start with
loser go first.
4.
Loser belt goes first.
Loser belt go first.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
So fast.
Yeah, it is so fast.
So,
Your turn, Darren.
I do the same number.
Okay, go. Go.
Do this 9.
Red.
Me? So fast.
So fast.
Okay, Darren.
I want to change color to red.
Okay, go. Damn it.
You.
You again.
Me?
Okay. Why skip me up?
Hey.
Tag. What's 4?
Who?
I
color?
could have won if you didn't do that.
Which one?
Is it?
Which color?
Which color? Red. Okay.
Uno. Yellow. It's you. Stan, it's you.
Oh, wait. Yellow? Skip.
It's red. It's red.
No, he said yellow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Darren.
It's you.
Oh no. Oh, tight game.
He has.
Hey! No.
He has green
Me,
seven.
me.
He has green
You
seven.
know.
You know.
Uno. I already said Uno.
You again.
Me? I won. I won again.
No, never mind.
No, you can't do never mind.
Never mind.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No,
Yes, I
I
can.
won.
Yes, I can.
No, you're not allowed
Okay,
to.
Uno, get you, Darren.
But you cannot do again.
No, you can't. Yeah, you can't.
It's fine.
So, you lost. Shaw lost. Shaw.
Yeah, because I can't do again.
Shaw what the heck? Shaw
You
lost.
can do again.
Shaw lost.
I can't really
Never mind, later we do.
I'm gonna revenge on you.
Later do Jenga, man. Okay.
Give me that message.
Loser. Loser bell.
Loser bells.
Okay. Okay, I see you right here. And now we need to spray the water.
Hey, the fidget spinner might get wet.
Okay, just use the hand and just spray. That's it.
Oh wow.
Ah! Nasty.
Nasty.
Ah!
Okay, now you have to clean it.
I know.
Ah!